Is your AC not cooling how it used to? Before you spend money calling a tech, there's a lot of things you can do yourself to save some cash. Check it out. My wife and I bought our house about 2 years ago, and we've never done an AC tune-up, an AC maintenance. AC's always worked fine, but I did notice that my electric bill was going up. Luckily, the electric company here in South Florida, you can check to see your usage and the energy analyzer to see where the power is coming from. And it looks like the AC was pulling a lot. So before I do a tune-up or anything like that, I went online to see what I can do, and I can clean the coils. Apparently that could help big time. I'm gonna show you how to do that. I went to Home Depot, I found this coil cleaner. So we're gonna go check it out. And the good thing is you can use this on the condenser, which is that outside unit, and on the air handler, which is the one on the inside. But I bought a different one for the one on the inside on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link to both of them in the description below. But let's go outside and get started on cleaning the outside unit. Time out, hold on. Before we go outside, we gotta turn off the circuit breaker for the AC. Very, very important. There's a lot of power going through an AC. The last thing you wanna do is fry yourself trying to save yourself a few bucks. So this is my condenser, also known as the outside unit. So we take a closer look here. The coils are these lines that are hidden in there, but they're being covered by this aluminum casing. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. And once we remove that, we can get our water hose, water it down before we put the coil cleaner. Alright guys, so I took off the cover and these are the coils. These lines that go all the way down. This is actually a lot worse than I thought. Take a look at this. Look how dirty that is. Who knows the last time this was cleaned. So originally I was just gonna rinse it off, but I think I'm gonna get a vacuum it first. Look at this over here. That is disgusting. So we went through the entire bottle of the cleaner. Good thing it's not that expensive, but I have a 5-ton AC unit, which is why I needed everything. So now we just gotta wait a few minutes, let it dry off, and then rinse it out. Change the coils on the outside. My AC is definitely cooling faster. You know, it's been a few days since we did that. So now that we did the outside coils, time to clean the inside coils. First thing we want to do is get rid of the little door where my AC is housed. I already turned off the main breaker at the breaker panel, but we want to take off the breaker that the AC unit has as well. Alright, so now we want to take the screws out and take this cover off. Go. These are my coils. They're not that dirty. This is a little oxidated though. Let's see. So what I'm going to use to clean the coils of the air handler that's inside is this evap foam, no rinse. I don't want to bring the water hose in here and dirty everything that's inside my house. So I'm going to use this stuff. I don't have to rinse it. I just apply it on. I got it on Amazon. I'm going to link it to the description. thing I noticed on the bottle, it says here pleasant lemon scent. I agree, just spraying this you can tell the lemony scent, and I wonder if when I turn my AC on, if my whole house is gonna smell. So to recap guys, we cleaned the coils on the condenser, which is a unit on the outside, waited a few days, and those few days I noticed that it did get a little better, whereas the AC was cooling a little faster. We then cleaned the coils on the inside unit, the air handler. That should help as well, and it has a nice lemony scent. So if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. If you find another way or other tips to save money on your AC cooling costs, please comment down below. Check out my other videos. And last but not least, please remember, wash your hands. Thank you. Check out my other videos. And remember, why pay someone else to do it when you can do it yourself? Later.